How to turn off end-to-end encryption on Messenger. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'll guide you on how to disable end-to-end encryption on Messenger. Watch the video till the end and without further ado, let's begin. First of all, launch Messenger app on your phone. Make sure that you sign in to your account. Now navigate to three-line menu icon at top left corner of your screen and now choose settings icon at top right corner of your screen. Scroll down. Look for the option of Privacy and Safety and open it. Scroll down and under Security, you need to tap on End-to-End Encryption. Now select Message Stories. Now tap Turn off Secure Stories at bottom of your screen and then tap on Continue button. And with this, you will successfully disable end-to-end encryptions on Messenger. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.